So I have a question from Karin, and she wants to know how she can create a few templates for printing school photos, putting several photos on same piece of paper. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So you start up the editor, and first thing you do is you go into template style, and you change the paper size, and the width is 30 centimeters, and the height is 21 centimeters. And for these cases I usually work in full spread mode, because it's going to be a single sheet of paper. It's not going to be left and right pages of any kind like in a book. So click OK, and there now you have a paper 21 by 30 centimeters with one hole. So always make sure you're working in auto select mode, and now you can click on that and say I want this split vertically, and this one I want split horizontally. For this first template we're going to have 3 holes. And now I'm going to go and manually change the size of these holes. And after I've done that, it's important that I don't do any more splits. So first do your splits to create the number of holes you need. Then you can go in and manually change the size of the holes and move them around. But when you're doing that, the editor doesn't know about that. So if you were to change anything here, afterwards it's going to pop back to this situation. Alright, so hit Command T or Control T to use the transform tool, and then go in here and change the size of this hole, which this one is going to be 15 by 21 centimeters. I'm going to move that there. You see there are these purple lines, and they're there because I've turned on Show Smart Guides, and that helps me to sort of snap the holes onto the side, so I'm not, a few pixels off. Okay, let's do the next one. This one is going to be width-wise 18 centimeters. Sorry, 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I'm going to put that there, fits perfectly. And then for this one, there's a shortcut, Shift Command T. It does the same transform as the previous one, so it's going to be the same size. I'm going to put that there. There's going to be some spillage here, but I figure it's easier to cut like this. Alright, now it's ready to save this first template, and let me first set up a folder which is going to be called Karin. I've been playing around with this before, so let me just create this. And up here we have ProAlbum-Designer's guess about what the aspect ratio of the holes are. You can leave it there if you want, or if you want this template to work for any kind of photo, you can lie about this and say that I have 3 square holes. And the flipping isn't really important because we're just printing these out on a piece of paper and cutting them up, so we don't need suggestions on other symmetries. So we're just going to hit save. Now save the first template, and let's create one more so you see how it works. Editor, template style, full spread mode, width 30 centimeters, height 21 centimeters. Click OK. For this template we're going to have 2 holes, and they're going to be 13 by 18 centimeters. So I'll click on the first one, Command T, the width 30 centimeters, height 18 centimeters. Click on the second one, Shift Command T, and save template. And once again, I'm going to say that these were actually 2 square holes, so they can accept a vertical or horizontal image. Don't want any flipping, and save. So let's see if this works. First 2 vertical photos, and make album spread. And this is the important part here. First, you need to change your template folder. So it's already set here because I've been playing around here, but what you would do, you go in here and select this folder where you have your new templates. And then, second important thing is that you change your album to this special thing called template. That tells ProAlbum-Designer not to resize the templates for a particular album company, but rather leave the template as it is. And I don't have any special effects here turned on, so with these two selected photo, we'll find our template here under OK matches, because ProAlbum-Designer thinks that these are square holes. So you just click on this and we'll pop the images in there. And as you can see here under image size, it's a 30 by 21 centimeter photo at 300 dpi. So that's ready to be printed out. Let's see if the other one is working too. So I'll just have a horizontal photo too, make album spread. And it should appear here under OK matches. There it is. Click on it. Pictures are dropped in and ready to be printed.